What's up, Faith Family? Jarvis Guy of Wardross YT here, and welcome back to another Diecast review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Hot Wheels Drone Duty from the 2022 Hot Wheels Rescue line of cars. Now, this is the first part of what I consider to be our fun reviews, where we get to review some cars with action features that are a lot more fun than your usual Hot Wheels. And this car is no exception. The Drone Duty has an action feature, if I can zoom out the camera right here, that allows you to take off the top of the car. Now, as you see, you have your regular unassuming die-cast car, but if you apply an inappropriate amount of force to the top, then you have a drone, or what is supposed to be a drone, as implied by the fans in the back. So you can zoom that away while you're left with your base car, which I guess just idles right there. I don't know who would want to be seen in public with this. Although, I guess the implication is that it's supposed to be autonomous, so it can follow around with the drone. So the drone is flying around and the car is following right behind it. And whenever you want to get it back in place, just grab the car, snap it back, and you're all good to go. So I think outside of the action feature, this is a pretty average die-cast car. I do like the color choices, especially the fact that the actual body of the car is yellow, which does help with accenting, but it helps differentiate the drone part of the car from the normal part of the car, which I guess is good for playability. I am concerned that the drone part is a choking hazard, but I'm sure Mattel's figured that out already. I'm sure they would never release a toy that had any risk of choking children. But aside from that, I do think it is a little flimsy and doesn't feel like it has much weight to it. But then again, it really couldn't be metal because it wouldn't be as easy to get out. It wouldn't be as malleable. I mean, I'm trying to bend it on camera, but I mean, the fact remains it is more malleable because it is plastic. And so you sacrifice playability for durability, and I guess aesthetic quality and hand feel. But either way, I think that's basically it for the cosmetic portion of the review. But in terms of recommendations, this is a definite recommend. This is a unique vehicle. You don't see many Hot Wheels with like weird action features like this. The only other ones I can think of are like the Hot Weiler and some of the block vehicles that they've released, where you can like take parts of the vehicle off and like rearrange them and shit. I think Mattel should really look into releasing more cars with action features, since I mean these are toys, and hey, you know what? It's always a treat to buy a die-cast car for being a die-cast car, and then you find out, hey, it has a fucking action feature. That's cool. So yeah, this is a definite recommend. You're not going to have a hard time finding it. I think kids would enjoy it, and it's a pretty unique one to have for your collection. So, yeah, I think with that, that's all I have to say about the Hot Wheels Drone Duty from 2022. Very cool car with a very cool action feature. Well, I don't know how cool it is. If I had more of an imagination, it might be cooler. But either way, I've been your host, Jarvis Guy. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to stick around for more diecast content. And as always, giggity giggity, giggity goo. Stick around.